And we got Colton today, Lilelia, and Captain Dave. You guys know?
And the kid watching.
And the kid watching. No.
He doesn't get it.
He's
always gonna ask his dad.
No, he's not gonna come.
There we go.
There you go. Come on.
Yeah, I'm backing away. I don't need to be pet for 5 years.
Go, go. Ciao.
All right.
There we go. We're gonna go out that way, okay?
Oh, his ears are ringing.
Oh, he went to the louder.
Stands down.
Whose kickstand?
Where are we going? Up the other way?
Yeah, we're gonna go 27. Sorry, 427. So we'll get there faster, and then we'll run around Lakeshore. Doing a ride tomorrow?
I'm good for it.
So 9 o'clock?
Yeah, that's good.
We'll go Creemore, we'll go Creemore, Terra Nova, Hockley, Bell Fountain, and back home.
Okay.
Dave, you're in?
Ain't it
He's got to ask the wife. That's what happens when you're married. People that ride motorcycle, listen, do not get married.
That's a fair point.
Or get a wife like mine that lets you go and have fun.
too much paperwork?
It will be there the next day too.
It's been there for a week. I haven't touched it. That's the problem.
Oh, you should touch it. You might like it.
Too busy this week.
Oh.
Smelling a lot of herbs and spices.
It's yeah. He just threw out his little leftover. He's nice and high. He wants to race.
Car does.
It's okay, Anthony will go.
No, I'll be right back.
There goes little Elio. I thought he was gonna go past him on the shoulder.
Oh, I'm gonna race him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Watching.
Holy shit, he's faster than Anthony. Lot of bumps over here.
The one I think is there.
Oh.
Like on the right over here. And
Are you filming there, Dave?
I think so.
No.
Yeah.
come up.
Holy, this thing's fucking slow.
The bike or the car?
You know you can go around them, right?
My bike. gotta get off here anyways, right?
Yes.
Right here, though.
West.
West. So you're gonna make a right.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck me, that one hard.
Not here. Are we going here?
Is this Lakeshore?
No.
No.
Further up.
No.
Gotta pass
Oh, you
the
said
Chrysler
right.
plant.
Lakeshore. You can go to the Burlington Skyway there, under the bridge. There's a nice...
Sticky area.
That's a nice photo shoot, if you want to go.
Alright, why not?
Colton's up for everything.
I don't care. As long as I'm riding the bike.
Captain Dave's got to go home and do paperwork. Oh, I can't tease him too much, then he won't do my sprinkler system at home.
It's okay, Louis. You got HVAC guy. That's all that matters.
Yeah, I know, but I do want my sprinkler system put in this year.
HVAC guys can do anything, Louis.
Oh, okay.
Jack of all, master of none.
There we go. Oh,
Well, I saw you drive by.
watch out!
What's the problem?
All I did was go to the shop.
There's police ahead.
Is there? Oh, you
Yeah.
should tell your boy.
Oh, I don't care.
How far?
Oh. What do the points even do, though?
You become
They're like cosmetic things, no?
yeah, like you could change
Alright.
you could change your avatar to other stuff.
A rotational
fuck.
for bike. Oh, he's gone.
Like who gives a shit? Oh, there's an old car.
I thought that just came out.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a 2026.
in the 50s. It's an old guy driving it too.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
his wife.
Yeah, I can know. I see the white hair. It's a 56. Oh, it is so nice. Look how beautiful that thing is.
I know.
Holy shit, look at the upholstery.
I saw. That guy's got money. Oh, look at the lineup at Dairy Queen.
Oh, fucking. And it's nothing special about the ice cream there.
No. No.
I never had it.
Yeah, we went
What's the big
there.
deal about it?
We went there once with the hooligans.
I didn't even see it. That's like the old Dairy Queen, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
nothing special. It's not like a nice Italian gelato.
Wait, was it right there?
Italian.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, it's still, you were there with
Yeah.
us.
I know, I didn't see it now, I'm saying.
Oh.
We passed it. I wasn't paying attention.
Fuck that Walmart.
Yeah, I like Port Credit. It's nice. Oh, yeah. We used to come down here with, oh, he's closing up his windows. With Rolls and the dog, we used to come down here.
There's a lot of like tourists and stuff here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
It'll be nice to see the Scottish like they did in Buffalo. They
Gotta
had,
love the fucking Scots, eh?
they had a party down there. Holy shit!
Yeah, they're fucking hilarious. They're honestly like some of the funniest people I ever met. Scottish people.
They outdrank everybody.
It's in my blood, Louis. It's in my blood.
Yeah. Oh, you're part Scottish?
Yeah, my mom's full Scottish.
Oh, I didn't know that. Then you gotta wear a kilt.
Yeah, get the hell out of here. Wear a kilt.
Hey, I wore it at my
did
cousin.
it.
At my cousin's wedding, I wore a kilt.
I want photo evidence.
I have it.
There is.
I wore the Highlander tartan. I didn't want to wear their color because I didn't like it. So they said,
He only wears red, white, and green, right?
no, but they told me, I don't care what color you put on as long as you're wearing one. They didn't think I was going to do it.
To be fair, I didn't think you would do it either.
Oh, fuck it, I did it. I did it, and I wore nothing underneath either.
Got a nice breeze, eh?
Oh, fuck, man, that was the best thing I ever had.
Like free air conditioning.
Hanging loose.
No.
Hang loose. Oh,
You know what's nice when you're drunk and you gotta go to the washroom a lot? You don't gotta struggle. You just like
Yeah, you just
right
pee.
then and there.
no, I didn't get that drunk. I had to walk my cousin down the aisle. I gave her away.
So you weren't stumbling down the aisle?
No. I was sober. And the
What's the fun in that?
And the nice thing is, instead of having the Scottish knife, I had the Italian switchblade with me in my sock. I changed it up a little.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, I had to make it a little personal.
Oh, fucking. They really don't pay their taxes down here, eh?
Oh no, this is Oakville, fucking one of the richer areas too.
Oh, you're still in Mississauga, no?
This business, I thought this is Port Credit. Isn't Port Credit in Oakville or no?
No, Mississauga.
Oh, okay.
I was gonna say this doesn't look like a rich area.
Okay, then we're not in Oakville yet, sorry.
You don't think that house
This is whipped cream on shit. When you get to Oakville, it's whipped cream on whipped cream.
Oh no, next time we gotta go to Oshawa and see all the crackheads. Or Hamilton.
Nowhere's really bad now for that. London. It is so bad down there. Oh my god. When I used to go down there to visit my ex-girlfriend, like the people down there are just like all shooting up heroin on the streets. I'm like, holy fuck.
So your ex-girlfriend was a crackhead? Is that what you're saying?
Shooting up heroin.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I should just say that. Yeah. But downtown London, oh my god, fucking awful.
We got to do a ride down there one time. And at nighttime too, so we can see it better.
So we can make friends.
Get the full experience.
Yeah, definitely. Because during the day they're probably all hiding.
Yeah, under the bridge.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I heard that. Holy shit.
Oh, what the hell was that?
That was my bike.
Was that your bike?
Yeah.
That's a crazy fall.
You don't sound like...
I felt bad for the person right next to me with their window down.
And your bike is all backfiring. Nice.
Yeah, I gotta fix that.
fuck, your bike is loud, Dave.
Yeah. Look who's talking.
Oh, every time I'm next to you, I can hear the burp, burp.
Every time I'm next to you, I'm deaf.
So am I.
Remember the first day we installed it? You started up, I'm like, you should get the quiet baffle. You're like, I'm gonna get the quiet baffle. The next day he goes, I'm not getting the baffle. I love it.
I remember the first time you started up with that exhaust, I was out in the backyard.
Yeah.
And I heard it from my house. Just like, I heard it like it was outside of my house. It was insane. I was like, holy fuck.
Oh, last night we got home, what, 12:30? Quarter to 1? I was going to come by your house and red bomb you. Then I'm like, no, it's too late.
Honestly, Louis, if you did that, I'd sleep right through it.
Yeah. Oh, did I tell you the time we brought Colton to the Honda Indy? Guess who decided to fall asleep during a race?
Oh, nice.
He was out.
Yeah.
He was, what, 6 years old or something?
Car
A
rides?
guy needs to sleep. How do you think I got the 6'2"? Left, right?
Left. What's the street called?
I don't know.
It's southbound.
Yeah, this one here we got to turn. Yeah, south down. We got to make a left.
I thought you were gonna say turn right, and we're already at the lights.
Oh, you see that that like scooter place? Do you guys know that place?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're
I'm testing on my suspension.
Yeah, I think you tested it enough today.
paid for the suspension. I'm going to abuse the suspension.
Oh, if this was my old suspension, I would be screaming right now.
Was it that bad before?
The old one, yeah, only had like 1 inch of travel.
How much does yours not have now?
This one, oh,
What, 2.5?
this one, yeah, is about that. It's like riding a Cadillac now compared to before.
Was it a lot of work to change it?
No, fucking, it took about half an hour to do both sides.
Oh, that's not bad.
No. Okay, people, you go around them, you know, fucking.
Oh my god.
Some people don't know how to drive. Oh, this is a bicycle lane. All right, I'm going to be a bicycle today. My motorcycle.
I identify
as a bicycle.
I guess we should have stopped and let them go.
No, it's okay. I stopped. I'd be nice.
Walk them all.
No, she's not my type. And I'm also happily married, so.
Smart man saying the word happily married and not just married.
No, happily married.
As Rose watches the video, happily married.
It's probably from all the same platform. And half of the parts are probably Audi anyhow. Wow, it's busy down here. Holy snap. Oh, the girl broke her leg. Woohoo! Bump.
She can't run away, Louis.
There's the Ferrari.
Nice Ferrari.
Yeah.
Which one is that? Is that it's not a Spider, is it? I don't know my Ferraris that well.
I don't care because I can't afford one anyhow. So
That's a mindset, Louis. I'm gonna stop. I'll be nice.
oh, finally! Holy smokes! First time you didn't say.
I can't be a dick all day.
First time you didn't say fuck them.
I'm a young guy. It's all I know.
Uh-huh. You're like Iggy. He'll fuck anything that moves.
No, I got standards.
Yeah.
How low or how high are they?
They're below medium.
We used to go to the bar at 9 o'clock. We had high standards.
Yeah.
Then there was something called last call.
And then,
You should have seen the girl my buddy was talking. Sam, the girl he was talking to at Salty Dog. I was like, there ain't no way. I'm like, I gotta pull him out of this because he's gonna regret it in the
You had the
morning.
beer goggles on, I assume?
Oh, so hard. It was so bad. I was like, Sam, you don't want this.
everything looks good when you're drunk. I like this area.
Beautiful area.
Money gets you. Well, Toronto has money too, but that's a shoe.
Yeah, but Toronto money is like, I don't know. I don't see anyone who would like purposely want to live down there. Like it's freaking awful down there.
People love it.
Just too congested.
It's this, right? A couple trees.
Yeah, but this is
Yeah,
nice.
by
You got a little bit of property up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, some people don't care.
I like where we live. We have a nice backyard.
Yeah.
At least we're.
What? Is that Vader from freaking Lightning McQueen?
That's the theater.
At least we're far north.
Yeah.
Like I like Alliston. I think Alliston's like beautiful.
Yeah, I know, but it's just a long drive. You have to do Alliston and Toronto all the time.
That's fine. Don't send me to Toronto for work. Send me up north.
Yeah, okay, if you can
That's
do
what I'm
that.
gonna tell my boss. I'm like, give me the North Division.
That's it. Woodbridge used to be the wall. That was the first subdivision that got built up here.
Which one's the wall?
So that's from Weston Road, from Rutherford to Langstaff.
Flagstaff?
Yeah,
Oh, so Weston Downs.
yeah. So if you look at that, that's in a concrete wall. If you drive that area,
Oh, yeah.
so that's why they call that the wall. They built a 7-foot concrete wall around like a prison. My pocket's open. Oh, look, both pockets open. That's not good.
Guess it left you, right?
Imagine doing a brake burn on the steel bridge, fucking you chew up your tires. I should have put my clear visor on.
On it?
Yeah.
You have
So
it
here's
with you?
the transition lens, or you
No, this is tinted and it's like 10%, so at nighttime, fuck, you just barely see anything.
this is the transition, and it's fucking bugging me.
Why?
It's because it's not clear.
Oh,
But it's not fully tinted either, right?
Well, go cigar shop for Dave.
yeah. God, I haven't had a cigar in a long time. Oh, last year.
On vacation.
No, last year on my 60th birthday I had a cigar. No. It's a long time I haven't been down here. Oh, fire hall. Oh, there's a soccer game going on.
Yeah. It's last day of group stages today.
It's a
And
lot.
then tomorrow's knockout.
Oh, okay.
Canada is the first game.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I haven't watched not one soccer game.